cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Wagwan wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some honey old bay jerk chicken thigh. Yes, guys, trust me, this right here are gonna be so delicious, so flavorful, and so mouth-watering. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. So guys, please do give this video a thumbs up and also do share it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing, delicious recipe like these. Thank you all so much for all your love and your support. I really appreciate it. Now stay tuned for the video. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Psalms 34 verse 18. So this is the word of the Lord. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and save those who are crushed in spirit. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. Remember that God loves you so much and that He have a great plan and purpose for your life. Stay blessed and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So in my glass bowl right here, I've got 12 chicken thigh. You can also use chicken drumstick, any part of the chicken of your choice, alright? And this is my honey, and this is half cup of my runny honey. And dark soy, and this is over 1 tablespoon. This is my wet jerk seasoning, and this is over 1 tablespoon. Guys, jerk seasoning, this is the wet jerk marinade. It's sell everywhere. You can get it in any supermarket or even online. I have a video on my channel on how I make my wet jerk marinade. You guys can go and check it out. Alright, some oil. These are my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my paprika. Also have 2 teaspoons of my onion powder, 1 tablespoon of my garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of my chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of my jerk powder seasoning, 2 teaspoons of my all-purpose seasoning, and I'm also gonna add some black pepper, at least ½ teaspoon. Alright, and this is my Old Bay seasoning. This is over 1 tablespoon of my Old Bay seasoning. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a marinade, a wet marinade for my chicken thigh. So to this bowl right here, I'm gonna add my seasoning. I'm gonna also add my black pepper, and this ½ teaspoon. And I'm gonna add some warm water. You can also use chicken broth. I'm gonna add at least 4 tablespoons of water. Wet jerk seasoning. Dark soy. Just add it all. Give it a good stir. If it's too thick, you can add some more water just to loosen it up. Let I add just a little bit more water. Yeah, that's it. That's perfect. And to the marinade, I'm gonna add just a little bit of honey, at least 1 tablespoon of my runny honey. Mix it all in. This is exactly what you want, not too thick, just a little bit runny, so that's perfect. The smell is amazing. Wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. So guys, my chicken is already washed and clean. I wash it in some lime juice. You can also use vinegar or lemon. Yes. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the oil. And remember to remove the excess fat around your chicken thigh, because you know you don't need that. All right. So now I'm just gonna add all that wet marinade all over on my chicken. Look at that. This is gonna be so good. Rub it all in. Yeah, just massage all that marinade all over on your chicken thigh. Lift up the skin. This is gonna be so good. You can leave it to marinate for at least 20 minutes or so. But as I always said, once you season your meat, your chicken, whatever you're cooking properly, yeah, you just have to make sure that all the chicken is covered in the seasoning. Yeah. Yeah, so this is all done. It is seasoned to perfection. I'm gonna add my chicken thigh now. You can just put the marinade that leave back, chicken thigh. So now I'm gonna put it in my oven for at least 35 to 40 minutes, okay? And 180 degrees Celsius. You can put your oven and 400 degree, okay?
She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it, and when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more.
So guys, I just removed my chicken thigh from the oven, and this is what it look like. It looking super delicious. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pour some of the liquid on top. But this liquid, guys, I am gonna remove it because you don't need it, okay? You can use it to make gravy. So I remove all the liquid from my chicken. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the honey. Make sure that you warm up your honey. You can warm it up, but it is totally optional. I'm gonna take a brush and just brush on the honey. This looks so good. Make sure all the chicken thigh is covered with the honey. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it back in my oven for at least 10 minutes. Yes, and it will be finished and ready to serve. My chicken is all finished, and I'm telling you, it looking super delicious and so mouth-watering. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of the honey sauce at the bottom and just pour on it like this. Look at that, so yummy, so nice, so juicy. This is the perfect recipe. This is the best part. Now I'm just gonna plate it all up. You can serve it with some rice, some mashed potato, cornbread, rice and peas, whatever of your choice. Cabbage salad. It looks so good. It is cooked to perfection. Look at that. I love to cook chicken thigh because it is super easy to cook and it is also filling. Let me know if you cook it. What are you gonna cook it with? What are you gonna serve it with? I'm gonna serve mine with some rice, some veg on the side. I'm just gonna add just a little scallion on top just for presentation. It is totally optional. Guys, I hope you all do enjoy this video. I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember, if you try it, comment below and tell me what it's like. Alright? Also, do share it. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, absolutely delicious. My mouth is watering. This right here, it is cooked to perfection. Bye guys and do enjoy.
These delicious recipe, hit the thumbs up and share across all your social media platforms for more of these amazing delicious recipe from Jody Cooking. Delicious cooking. Jody Cooking, straight from the kitchen.